To start, losing weight is often the most significant step that you can take to reduce or sometimes even eliminate snoring. While people with a normal weight range can still snore, extra fat tissue around the neck and throat can narrow a person's airway, especially guys. A lot of people don't realize this, but we have a tendency to pack on the weight in our necks, and that's usually where we see the snoring. Losing some extra weight can help to open up the airway passages, sometimes eliminating the issue entirely once the weight goal is achieved. Believe it or not, just losing around 5% of your body weight can show a reduction of about 50 decibels, which by the way might save your marriage. So I'm not talking about a tremendous amount of weight. A 200-pound person, 5%, that's 10 pounds, right? Can you lose 10 pounds to maybe save your marriage? Probably a good idea.